Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bashaw Family Chronicles. Today, I'm going to be making inhalers. I woke up this morning with a really stuffed up nose and stuff, figured that'd be a good thing to have, and we don't have any right now, so now's a good time to make them, and might as well show people how to make them while I'm at it. Oh, and everything that we're using here, and all the oils, I'll have links to those in the descriptions below. Alright, so the first one's the easiest that I'm going to be making. It's going to be using the peppermint. This helps reduce the congestion of the nose so that the other one that we'll be making will be able to work. Now, diffusers come in a few parts. You have the wick, and the case, and the cap. What you do is you put the wick on the bottom piece, take the peppermint oil, and it's 15 drops on the wick. And you take this piece, cover it over the bottom, and that's the first inhaler. Now the second inhaler has a little bit more to it. It's 2 drops of lemon, 1 drop of oregano, 1 drop of tea tree, 2 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of peppermint, 1 drop of frankincense, 2 drops of spearmint, 1 drop of rosemary, 1 drop of Copabia, and 2 drops of lemongrass. Just mix this all up. And same as the other one. Take your bottom, put your wick in it, and then 15 drops of this mixture. That is how you make the inhalers. And to use them, just unscrew the top. Breathe in for a couple seconds on each nostril. And that will help with the sinus pressure as well. And helps with allergies and everything else that you may be dealing with. Thank you for watching.